One of the most important things that you can do when you start to build wealth is build up a financial education. And this is something that's going to help you make more money investing. It's going to help you make more money when you go to your job and negotiate your salary. And in addition, it's going to help you learn how to save money, how money works, and how you can use money to buy freedom. That's the power that a financial education has. And that is what money is there to do. Money is there to buy your freedom. And so today, what we're going to talk about is how to build a financial education like the top 1%. So once you start to put together your financial education plan, the first thing you want to do is start to read books. Now, books are one of the most powerful ways to further your education, but you don't want to just pick up any book. You want to start reading personal finance books. Some of my favorite we've talked about in other videos. You want to start reading investing books, business books, and books that will help you grow your wealth. And this is incredibly important for a number of reasons. One of which is books can take a very complex subject and break it down simply so that you can understand it. But some of the best personal finance books to start out with is The Simple Path to Wealth, The Millionaire Next Door, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. All of these are amazing books to get started so that you can understand, hey, how does money work? How should I think about money? And how can I go about utilizing this information to build wealth? Now, one of the biggest things to understand early on is that when you're reading and when you're learning and building your financial education, you have to learn and then take action on what you're learning. Because learning things and not taking action is what's going to hold you back in your financial education journey. See, reading is completely overrated, but reading and taking action is what you need to be doing to truly be able to build wealth. The next way to build up your financial education is podcasts. Now, I can't tell you how many things I have learned from podcasts over time. Things like how to invest, how to build businesses, digital marketing, sales skills. All of these are incredibly important. And there's so many different topics on podcasts, whether there's podcasts on your interests, on your careers, on how to build wealth, and all of these different things. So podcasts are one of the best ways that you can start to learn and build up your financial education. We have a podcast called The Personal Finance Podcast, and all we talk about is wealth building, businesses, how to manage your money properly, investing. And these are the most important things when you're trying to build up your financial education. So make sure you check that out, the Personal Finance Podcast, and whatever podcast player that you love. The next thing to do is find a mentor in whatever you're interested in. Say you want to become a real estate investor, for example. Well, the best way to catapult your growth is to read books, listen to podcasts, but then in addition, find a mentor who can help you along the way. Because what's going to happen, say, if you're a real estate investor, is you're going to come up with challenges and you need to bounce some ideas off of your mentor so that you can bridge those challenges. This is incredibly important to understand. Now, a mentor doesn't always have to be someone who's physically in front of you. Books and podcasts can serve as a mentor, and learning is an amazing tool to start building a mentorship. But once you start to get at a higher level, you want to find a mentor who has done it before and has done it in the past. Number 5, join mastermind groups or communities. So if you don't know what a mastermind group is, it's with a bunch of people with like interest get together and solve problems with each other. So for example, maybe you're a business owner. So you get together with like-kind business owners and talk about what's going on in your business, how you can solve your problems, how you can increase your profit and your revenue so that you can take the next step forward. And masterminds are incredible for your financial education because it involves groupthink. Now, not only do you have to have a physical mastermind where you're talking to physical people on the phone or something like that, with the expansion of the internet, you can join communities. Maybe there's Reddit groups surrounding something that you're interested in. For example, some of the best Reddit groups out there are surrounding financial independence. Or maybe there's Facebook groups. Or you can join a course in a community that surrounds the information in that course. There's so many different ways to get groupthink and masterminds that you want to make sure that you're doing that to build your financial education. The next one is to take courses. Courses on investing, courses on money management, courses on building a business, courses on side hustles, courses on building skills so that you can increase your income. These are all incredibly important things to do. And what courses do is they take a very specific idea and show you step by step exactly how to execute that idea. And this is incredibly important for very specific things, especially if you want to build a business or a side hustle, or you want to learn how to invest. Courses are the best route. Sure, you could find the information for free online, but this takes all the information, puts it in one package so that you don't have to search for hours and hours and hours. Courses can save you an incredible amount of time, and they're such an amazing way to learn. I've learned so much from so many different courses, and it's absolutely amazing. And then the last thing to do is to hire a coach. So if you're working on some pretty complex problems, hiring a coach can be a major breakthrough for you. If you're stuck, if you're in a rut and you can't figure out what to do next, then coaching is the best route to go. And realizing that you can spend a couple $100, find a coach who's going to be able to help you through that problem so that you can make that much more money over time is incredibly important. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of how to build up your financial education plan. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell as well. And as always, if you like this video, here are 2 more videos that I know you're gonna love. We'll see you on the next video.